In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on DIA future while examining the DIA cost conjecture for 2023 and then some, which generally is very huge. If it's not too much trouble, truly remember that you want to by and large think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything generally is a difficult undertaking. In a real sense, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like DIA, which is very critical. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive truly profound into the DIA value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that DIA is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will DIA generally succeed or generally fall flat, or for what reason will DIA value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what DIA especially is and its to-date history. DIA value expectation for the most part next 10 days in an unobtrusive manner. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will explicitly be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a green in 2023, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year in an unpretentious method of some sort. This truly is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in the kind of inverse bearing and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many in every way that really matters, times in the far off and substantially more late history, or so they thought. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, in spite of mainstream thinking. We especially expect whales and other a lot greater players in the market to especially wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess basically are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few most certainly other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-0210 plus 1.29% $0 4190 2023 02 11 plus 1.65% $0 4205 2023 02 12 plus 0.07% $0 4139 2023 02 13 plus 5.49% $0 4364 2023 02 144.07% $0 3968 2023 02 151.12% $0 4090 2023 02 16 plus 2.68% $0 4247 2023 02 171.76% $0 4064 2023 02 182.82% $0 4020 2023 02 19 plus 2.29% $0 4231 2023 02 204.78% 39 cents DIA value expectation 2023. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance certainly pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 especially isn't looking excessively kind of really great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to explicitly slip essentially lower with every minor market quake, which is genuinely huge. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. Underneath in a real sense is a month-by-month breakdown of the very last a long time of 2022 and 2023 blemish. 19.02% $0 3350 2023 APRA. 36.38% $0 2632 2023 May. 31.71% $0 2825 2023 Jun, which is very critical. 19.74% $0 3320 2023 Jul, which especially is very huge. 14.34% $0 3543 2023 All. 11.10% $0 3677 2023 SEP, which explicitly is genuinely critical. 4.24% 39 cents, which most certainly is genuinely huge. 2023 Oct 1.67% $0 4068 2023 Na plus 6.05% $0 4387 2023 DEC plus 5.72% $0 4373 2024 Jan in a significant manner plus 10.51% $0 4571 2024 Feb plus 15.20% 47 cents DIA value forecast 2025 to 2030 2040 amazingly. Our forecast model sees DIA arriving at new highs in 2025, $1.07, or so they thought. DIA cost in 2030 and 2040 ought to be several significant degrees higher than our 2025 forecast amazingly. What DIA will generally be worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees DIA coming to $0 in 2030, which is genuinely huge. What DIA will generally be worth in 2040. Our anticipating model sees DIA coming to $0 in 2040. Will DIA supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin in an unobtrusive manner? No, DIA won't supplant or overwhelm BTC, which fundamentally is very critical. Might DIA at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for DIA to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period, in opposition to mainstream thinking. How high will DIA go, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Our determining model sees DIA cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is DIA for the most part worth purchasing? We don't see a truly brilliant future for DIA, or so they thought. It merits purchasing just as an especially transient theory with a decent leave system. DIA is certainly not a kind of good truly long-haul hold, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Is DIA an essentially wise venture? DIA is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it faces a wild rivalry from exceptionally other comparative crypto projects, doesn't for the most part stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a veritable local area, and the group behind the undertaking is doubtful, or so they thought. Could DIA at any point make you a mogul, in spite of mainstream thinking? No, DIA might not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. How much will DIA in a real sense be worth, in spite of prevalent thinking? For the momentary future, it could reach 24 cents. In the long haul, it will probably drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will DIA succeed and get more expensive, which is genuinely critical? DIA for the most part has a truly remote possibility of succeeding. It sort of has no first mover advantage. It brings no kind of remarkable incentive. It has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls DIA to succeed in ascending cost for the truly long haul. What in a real sense is the genuinely momentary expectation for DIA? DIA will for the most part reach 24 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 40.6% change over the ongoing cost which floats around 41 cents.